Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 9, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of your screen. This will show a bunch of toggles. Now we're looking for the screen recorder, which for me it is visible right here, but if you don't see it in the initial list of toggles, you can swipe down on here and this will extend it, giving you a wider array of toggles. Anyway, once you see screen recorder, you can just simply tap on it. Green screen recorder, the microphone permission and settings. Now, in all honesty, this shouldn't be a requirement considering you don't need to record microphone, but you know, it's Android, or in this case Huawei, so they want all the data that they can possibly get. Anyway, we're gonna navigate to permissions right here and microphone, allow while using the app, and now we can close this. Let's do that once more. Screen recorder. During screen recording, all operations on the screen will be recorded. That is false. This feature requires access to the microphone, which we already granted it. Now the reason I'm saying that all actions recorded kind of thing is false is because, let's see if we have the application. Gonna turn off the microphone. Let's see. I am looking for some application that I can showcase this problem with, but it looks like it doesn't actually come pre-installed here. So I was looking for Netflix, and Netflix is usually the application that just kind of blocks screen recorder. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can click right here to stop this. This will automatically get saved to your gallery application. Now going back to what I was saying, well, I'm going to show you where you can find your screen recordings once you have captured them. So Netflix, like I mentioned, can block screen recorder. It is a feature of like Android devices and stuff like that to basically give you some kind of security. So as an example, bank applications also use this kind of feature. So if you have some kind of virus on your device, that virus cannot see into your bank app and see like what pins you're using to log into it. As you can probably imagine, this would be a kind of a very sketchy thing to have happen to you. So whenever such an application would try something like this, all it would get is a fully black screen. Now, the reason I'm pointing out Netflix right here instead of like bank applications as an example is because Netflix most of the time comes pre-installed with a bunch of different devices, and number two, as a user, you never give it any kind of permission, nor do you have to log into it for the application to be able to block screen recorder. And in my personal opinion, as a user of your own device, I would expect that some shitty applications shouldn't have more control over my device without my explicit permission to do so. And without agreeing to terms of service from Netflix, nor logging in, there is no effing reason why such an application has any control to do anything on the device. But I'm pointing that out and stressing on this because it is infuriating, and once you encounter an application that you want to record or maybe even capture a screenshot and you can't, there is literally nothing you can do about it. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.